The way home for Wolf. Today, we are learning to use adjectives. In your English book, write today's date and underline it. Write the Walt underneath. Remember, you can pause the video and press play when you're ready. The Way Home for Wolf by Rachel Bright and Jim Field. As a rainbow of lights flickered soft in the night, dusting diamonds of ice in the desert of white, the wild whipping wind it whistled its tune to a howling of wolves and a shimmering moon. And the loudest ow in this echoing song was a wolfling called Wilf at the heart of the throng. He loved to be fierce and longed to be grown. He liked to try everything all on his own. Look at me, I am big, I am tough, he would growl, whilst he showed off his strength and practiced his prowl. So our main learning today is that we are going to use adjectives. Today we're going to use this part of the story that I've just read to generate, so that means come up with our own adjectives. Remember, adjectives are describing words. The nouns you could use from this part of the story are the stars, the night, the snow, the ice, the wind, the wolves, the moon, and Wilf. Remember, this story takes place in the Arctic, where it is really, really cold. So choose some of these nouns to describe. Put each noun into a box or a bubble, and then come up with some different adjectives to describe them. Here's an example. So the forest, I've put in the middle in a box, and then round the outside, I've drawn some lines. And one word I could use, an adjective to describe the forest, is dark. It was a dark forest. Or it was a dense forest, which means it's really thick. There's lots of trees in there. It's an icy forest. Okay, so in your book, choose which nouns you would like to describe and see if you can come up with some adjectives to describe them. You may want to set out a sheet, or you might want to put it into your book, something like this. So you can see in my book, I haven't drawn boxes, I've drawn sort of clouds around each of my nouns. I've only done the top two. I look forward to seeing your work. So pause the video and have a go. Self-assessment. How do you feel about today's learning on using adjectives? How neat was your handwriting and presentation today? Remember, talk to someone at home about it. See what they think as well.